Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a new Ipsy bag. So let's open this and see what is inside. So for those of you who may not know, Ipsy is a subscription that once a month they send you a really neat makeup bag. And in the makeup bag are usually 5 different samples, either in or around the makeup bag. Sometimes it doesn't fit in the makeup bag. So you get a new pattern each month. This one's really cool. It's silver, kind of a hammered silver with a faux leather green tag and a nice bulky silver zipper. And there are 5 samples inside. And this one says, sparkle, shimmer, and shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing all, and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. So very cool. So let's see. First thing I have is Thrive. This is Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. Oh, how nice. Ooh. Very nice. I'm going to go ahead and open it, even though I don't always open mascara because I have a lot of it, but this is what the brush looks like. Smells kind of good. This is in the color Bryn. It's a rich black. So that is going to be for me for sure. Some things I give to my daughter. This one is Gimme Brow. It's Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. And it has a custom tiny tapered brush. Actually, I saw this when I was Black Friday shopping at Macy's. And they had this in a kit, and I almost got it for Kitty, but I didn't. But I think that she got it in another little thing, so I'm going to keep this one too. But look at the little brush on this one. And it does your brows. It's probably not quite dark enough for mine, but it should probably be fine. It's for brows. I'll give it a whirl. Fuller Looking Now. Volumizes, tames, and tints. Tints. T-I-N-T-S. I think I say that funny. This one is Hey Honey, Look Into My Eyes, Retinol and Propolis Eye Mask, Leave-On Absorbing Treatment. Designed to provide intense hydration and brighten benefits to tired and stressed under eye areas while soothing wrinkles and reducing dark circles. Ooh, I can use that for sure. Let's see if it's colored or if it's... What does this look like? It's just cream color. Everything is cold because it was in my mailbox and I just came straight in to do it. This one is Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume. Parfums. Created and designed by Romano Ricci, great-grandson of Nina Ricci. Not a Perfume is a molecular composition and will not resemble to anything you've ever tested before. Made out of a single ingredient, Cetalox. It has no top or what? It has no top. Where am I? Or heart notes, so while testing it, chances are you will experience a certain weakness at first glance, but don't rush too fast into conclusions. It is one of our top sellers, and there's a good reason for that. This fragrance simply stands out. Okay, so it's called Juliet Has a Gun. Ooh, and it has a nice shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, I think it smells really good. Ooh, that's nice. It's kind of florally. Ooh, it smells really good. I'm really loving this. And I love that it's kind of shimmery. It doesn't really seem shimmery now, but when I first put it on, I could see where I'd put it. Kind of neat. I've never heard of this. I've never heard of this, but that's pretty cool. I'm happy. Gosh, so far I love everything. Let's see if this last one is a winner too. Perfect Glow BB Cream by Perlise. Foundation and antioxidant moisturizer and SPF 30 in 1. brightens skin, improves skin texture, softens and evens skin tone, hydrates the skin. For normal or dry skin types, wear over moisturizer. For oily skin, wear alone. For extra coverage, wear under foundation. And this is in the shade medium tan. Well, it's covered, so I'm not going to open it quite yet, but yeah, I think that will be fine. It's a little foundation cream. So I am excited. All of these I really, really like. Let's see what this is, because I thought there was going to be something for your hair in here, but I guess not. I don't know. I don't know why they gave me that, but this is what I got. And my favorite so far, without having used the others, I really like this perfume. It smells so good. And one squirt, and it smells amazing. So I don't know what they were talking about. Well, I'll give it another whirl or whatever, but I love it. Yay! So there we go. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.